Welcome to Math. So, in this video, we are going to see how to solve the trigonometric equations. We are starting here with the three example, and you can see we are restricting our solution from 0 degree to 360 degree. Usually, if it is not given, we just expect that x is only for acute angle, which is less than 90 degree, and we often get only one solution for that because for sine, tan, and cos all are positive in the first quadrant. But when I'm saying that the x value can be 0 degree to 360 degree, it means we have to check all the quadrant, like the quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, where the solution is sitting there, right? Okay. So now, when we are solving sine x equal to half, so we need to find out the value of x. So that's called solution, right? So we have to find the value of x. What is that x equal to what angle? Now we know that sine x equal to half. We can write down, instead of half, we can write down sine of 30 degree. I am writing everything in a degree rather than radian. That's easy to see. Now 30 degree, you can say sine x equal to sine 30 means x equal to 30. As I said, if the solution is restricting on only first quadrant, then we can stop here that x is 30 degree. That's the answer. That's the solution. But now we know that sine x equal to half, it is positive value, and sine could be positive in the first quadrant and also in the second quadrant. So it means that our solution can be in the first, and if you remember correctly, that it is all student take chemistry. So first quadrant is the all positive, and second quadrant is only sign positive. So sine is positive in the first two quadrant. So it means our solution could be in these two. So our second quadrant, what is the solution in the second quadrant? Then the second quadrant will be the x. You can just write down then I can write down sine x equal to sine of, instead of 30, we can just go up to here then 180. That's the minus 30. So 180 minus 30 is the, because the 180 minus 30 is giving that. If you see my previous video how to get the congruent triangles, to say that, so it's 180 minus 30. So by doing 180 minus 30, we are basically in the second quadrant. And now you can see that x equal to 180 minus 30, which is 150. So we are having two solutions. One is x equal to 150, and another one is x equal to 30 degrees. So this is the two solution for this problem. Now if I do the second one, just mark it down like that. Okay, the second problem, it is saying that you have 2 sine x plus square root of 3 equal to 0. What you need to do, you need to find out the value of x. And again, all the problems, the angle is restricted from 0 to 360 degree, right? So what we can do, we can just first simplify or rearrange the equation, which is 2 sine x. We can write down minus square root of 3, and then you can say sine x equal to minus square root of 3 over 2, and then I can write down, okay, sine x equal to minus sine of, what is square root of 3 over 2? If you remember, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 60 degree. So sine 60 degree, if you put in calculator, you will see that it is square root of 3 over 2. Now you can see you have minus here. You cannot just eliminate sine from both sides. That's what you did before. Because of the negative, we have to think about the quadrants where sine is negative. And as I said, sine is positive in the first two quadrants. So obviously sine is negative in the second two quadrant, because like second two quadrant is third and fourth quadrant, because third quadrant we know that only tan positive, and fourth quadrant cos positive. So now, so it means sine is negative in these two quadrants. So our answer is sitting in the third and fourth quadrant. So how to reach that third quadrant? You can just say that sine x equal to sine of 180 plus 60 degree, because we had 60 degree, we know that basic angle. So it's 180 plus 60 is coming in that one. All right, and then we can write down straight away x equal to 180 plus 6, which is 24, right? 240 degree. So 180 plus 60. And then if you want to get the second solution, you can write down again sine x equal to, we have to come up to the this one, because this is the fourth quadrant. So we can come up to here. So how we can reach here? 360 minus 60. And again, you can get this explanation in my previous video. So sine of 360 minus 60 degree, so it is giving us x equal to 300, right? So x equal to 300 degree. Again, we are getting two solution. One is x equal to 240 degree, and another one is x equal to 300, and both are sitting in the quadrant third and fourth respectively. Now we can just do another one. Let's say I'm just marking here. Let's say we have a 310x minus square root 3 equal to 0. I can again rearrange that equation, which is 10x equal to square root of 3 divided by 3. If I'm just dividing by 3, and then what happened here, I can write down if 10x equal to 1 over square root of 3, and if you remember that 10 1 over square root of 3 is 10 of 30 degree, so it means we can straight away write down x equal to 30 degree. So if it is only limited on the 90 degree, then our answer will be x equal to 30 degree. But as I said, we are restricting our x value from 0 to 360. We need to check where other solution is sitting. So x is positive only in the first quadrant, where everything is positive, or sine, tan and cos, and also tan is positive in the third quadrant. All students take chemistry, so tan is positive in the third quadrant. It means our first solution in the first quadrant and second solution will be in the third quadrant. So only we got the one quadrant solution, which is x equal to 30 degree. So in the third quadrant, how we can reach there, you can just write down 10x equal to, instead of 1030, you can write down 10 of, right? So 180 plus 30, because these angles are 30 degrees. So 180 plus 30 degree, and then if you write down, then x equal to what, 180 plus 30, which is 210 degree. So it means the second solution will be 210. So when you're solving this 10x minus square root of 3 equal to 0, you are getting two solution. X is 30 degree, which is in the first quadrant, and x equal to 210, which is in the third quadrant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to see more up-to-date videos.